Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. We have completed this exercise number 6.3 in our previous lectures. Today we will start exercise number 6.4. But before starting this exercise, let's take a look on the examples and definitions related to this exercise. It's about relationship between time and distance. In our daily life, we observe many moving things like vehicles, birds, human beings, ships, etc., animals in our surroundings. While moving these things covers a certain distance in a certain time at a certain speed. To understand the relationship between these three quantities, we can use the formula which is given. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. It's mean if you want to find the distance of a thing that is moving, how much distance is that the thing covered. To find this distance, you will multiply the speed by time. Or similarly, if you want to find the speed of the thing or the moving vehicle, you will divide the distance with time. It means this formula is used to find the speed, distance, or time of a moving vehicle. Okay, so by using the relationship, the proportion is that distance is direct proportion to time and speed, and time is inversely proportion to speed. Okay, now what is time? This is the definition of time. An interval between two happenings is called time. Time is the shortest interval between any happening. Okay, its basic unit is second. Okay, if you the basic unit of time is second, which is represented by s. Unit of speed. Firstly, we define speed. The distance covered per unit time is called speed. The distance covered per unit time is called speed. To find the measurement of to find the speed, we write these units. Okay. Speed is measured in different units like kilometers per hour and meter per second. There are two main units to find the speed. Kilometer per hour means if you want to write the time in hours, you will find the kilometers, and if you write in seconds, find the measurement in seconds, then you will use meters. Okay, meter per second or kilometers per hour. Speed is equal to distance over time. This is the formula using given by this formula. Okay, so with the example, with these definitions and these formulas, let's start our exercise 6.4. Question number 1. Question number 1 is about convert the unit of speed into meter per seconds. It is given in kilometer per hour, and you will change it into meter per second. I'll start from question number 1. Part 1, kilometer per hour. 72. Okay, before to find what you have to find, speed in meter per second. Okay, meter per second means simple solution is 72 kilometer per hour is equal to 72 to, as we know, we have to convert it into meters, so kilometer will be converted into meters. 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. Okay, 1 kilometer has 1000 meters, so write 1000 in the place of kilometers. Okay, now hour. 1 hour mean 60 minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, but we have to convert it into seconds, so write minutes into 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minute multiplied by 60 seconds. Okay, in the place of minute we will place 60 seconds. So 1 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60 second. This is the basic rule to convert the kilometer per hour into meter per second. Write meter 1000 multiply with 1000 and divide it by 60 multiplied by 60 or 3600 simply. Okay, now simplify it. 0 zeros will cancel out. 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 2 multiplied by 10 meter per second is equal to 20 meter per second. Similarly, with the same formula, you can solve question number 1. This is your home task, so write it into your neat notebook and solve it in your notebook. Students, take care. Allah Hafiz.